Welcome guys, in this video we're going to check the condition statement in PHP. So what we do here, I create a variable, $a is going to be 10, and then $b, which is going to be 15. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to put if condition. So if condition works something like this. You put if, then inside parentheses you put condition, and then you put curly braces, and there you do some code, whatever you want to do. Then you put else, and there do something. Okay, so if the condition is true, this code will be executed, and if it is not, this code will be executed. So what I do, I commit this, and here I say if $a is bigger than $b, and we're gonna say here echo a is bigger, else echo b is big. Alright, so I save this, go here, refresh, we get b is bigger because b is 15 and a is 10, so obviously this returned false, and as it returned false, we PHP fired this statement. So if I say here a is 20, now the a is bigger than b, so it should change because this statement is going to be true now and this is going to be false. So refresh, a is bigger. Now you can put multiple conditions as well. Now we are just checking a is bigger than b. If you want to do, you can do this way as well. You say here else if, alright, and then you put the condition, and this should go like that. So it might look a little bit difficult, but it is not. Try to understand here what exactly happening is. We just increased one if statement here. This ends here, and we added another if here, and we say then else at the end. So here I say $a is equal to $b. So we say echo both are equal. Alright, so if I go here, we will get the same output because this is going to fire because the a is bigger. But if I change this to 15, now both values are equal, and we should get both are equal. Both are equal because it checked this, it is false, then it went to this portion of code, it saw okay these are equal, and fired this. Now let's see if both of these statements are not true. In that case, we have b, which is 25, and here this is going to be false because a is small, and here both are not equal, so we should get b is bigger. So we go here, b is bigger. So this is how conditional statements work in PHP. You need to try and do some practice on this, and so you will get the understanding how things are working. I will leave the code into the description so you can use it as you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And